Before we go, volleyball took center stage in Pasay City as the Philippines joined celebrations for the first ever World Volleyball Day. The iconic Mall of Asia Globe lit up last night to mark the occasion. FIVB World Championship Ambassador Ea Laure and her Alas Pilipinas teammates led the festivities. Also present were beach volleyball stars like Cici Rondina. The country kicked off a countdown to hosting the 2025 FIVB Men's World Championship this September. World Volleyball Day, recognized every July 7 by the FIVB, commemorates the sport's first public demonstration in 1896. It also aims to inspire more communities to fall in love with the game. Here's what Alas women had to say during the celebration.
Once in a lifetime lang din siguro masasabi ko na isa ako sa mga naging ambassador. Doon wala si Ate Eliza at si Kuya Brian, pero super happy ako kasi nandiyan pa rin yung mga ibang Alas Pilipinas, women's, men's, beach volleyball. Kaya sobrang saya lang na nagsama-sama at nagtipon-tipon nagkaroon ng time na mag-celebrate ng World's Volleyball Day. Siyempre kasi through volleyball talagang madami ding nai-inspire. So ang dami din talagang mga rason na ipag-celebrate to kasi ang dami mga storyang nabubuo ng maganda dahil sa volleyball.
Very grateful po kasi nandito ako, nasaksihan ko siya, and sa time ko pa na nakasabay ako, tas nakasama ko pa sila ate, tas nakilala ko si Ate Cici. So very grateful and thankful.
Well, sobrang happy na nakasama po ako today kasi syempre first World Volleyball Day nga po. Celebration dito sa Philippines. So sobrang happy na na-experience po namin dito.
Babati lang ako sa mga volleyball players, sa mga gustong mag-volleyball. Ayun, happy World Volleyball Day sa atin. And ayun, tuloy lang natin yung mga pangarap natin. And let's show kung paano natin nilalaro yung gusto nating sport.